Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For all my returning subscribers, I hope you all are doing well. Today is going to be on what does the different types of face mask do for your skin type. So we know there's many different types of skin types, therefore, which is why there's many different types of skincare products. Now we've got clay and charcoal masks, and this is just something on my iPad that I've just put together for you lot to just break things down a little bit. It's just something that I've typed up. So we've got clay and charcoal masks, we've got sleep masks, we've got brightening masks, and we've got sheet masks, bubble masks, peel off masks, right? Now for example, this is a peel off mask, the Derma V10 deep cleansing peel off mask with charcoal. This is a charcoal mask, and the charcoal masks, they are suitable, go back a bit, they are suitable for oily skin and the shiny T-zones, because the charcoal and both the clay masks such as this, what this does is, this is a mud mask, it absorbs the oil from the skin, so it absorbs all the excess oil, and what the mask does, it kind of helps to balance all the different types of oils underneath our skin. And the best type of mask to use for oily skin is clarifying charcoal mask, such as this one. So what I normally do, I normally apply it to these sort of areas, chin area and like these sort of areas, because those are more oily areas, and especially when you put on makeup, that's when you know where your oily sections are on your face personally. Now we also have brightening masks. This can also be considered as a brightening mask, the Body Shop seaweed pore cleansing mask. What this does is you just apply it to the skin, and it's got little sugary bits in it that just really help to get rid of the excess, the excess dirt and so forth. And what this does, it is ideal for those with dry and dull skin, and for anyone suffering from pigmentation and uneven skin tone. So I would recommend this for you personally if you have pigmentation and there's an off balance in your skin complexion. It has powerful brightening ingredients such as vitamin C and those sort of extracts, and it just gives your skin that really radiant and bright look. And it's also good to apply to your skin before you go to bed as well. Now we've got peel off masks. This is also considered as a peel off mask because you can peel it off and both work it into the skin. And this is also a peel off mask slash a sheet mask, okay? And these are good because it removes a thin layer of dead cells on the surface and your pores that may be blocked from different types of dirt. And what this does is it penetrates through your pores, pull blackheads and also whiteheads. And unsurprisingly, this is actually not damaging for the skin. So I would recommend you guys to go and purchase some of these products and really get your skincare routine together. I'm pretty sure it is together because come on now, we've got so much time now, seeing that it's quarantine. So just depending on your skin type, it's really good to just really research what's actually best for me, what's better for my skin type. And also guys, I also use cleansing charcoal toothpaste. I also use this, and guys, I've made a DIY paste with this, and guys, it was amazing. It was an outstanding face mask, and if you saw what it done to my skin, you'd be very surprised. So please look back at that video, my DIY charcoal toothpaste. And guys, what this does is it really burns, like it really burns those spots, those pimples, those zits. It burns them. And I love pain, okay? I love pain. My spots need to feel some pain because they need to understand, do not come back. Do not come back. This is not the place for you. Don't come back, yeah? Period. So you can apply these, as I said, to the oily areas, the areas that seem to be more acne prone for you. And guys, it's really, really, really good. I'm going to use this tonight for my skin, for my night routine, because you know I switch it up every night. And yeah, this is outstanding. This is actually better than these products. It's actually better than some of these products, literally guys, I'm not even lying to you, literally. And before I apply any mask, any DIY mask, any organic mask, I always first wipe my skin with, you know, my Garnier Skin Active Cleansing Water. Or if you don't have this, or you have a different brand, that's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. Just use wipes to go over your skin. Just really get rid of that debris. And for your under eyes, you know, there's different types of eye patches to just put underneath your eyes to really give you that glowing, radiant, and take away that sleepless look that you may have. And it's hydrogel patches, and I've got a video to this as well, so please remember to look back at some of the videos if you want to see how these products actually work on my face, and what they actually do for my skin. So guys, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. And the reason why I'm saying all this, because I don't want any of you to miss out on any amazing content that I'm bringing up daily for you guys. And just remember to press the bell, because I have loads more videos coming up for you. I even have one coming up tonight for you guys, and that's going to be my night routine, so stay tuned and don't forget to click the bell.